Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commission has come in, taking me to a total of $260 into profit with Second Splash. I'm live here in my Gmail account, and this one came in 7 hours ago. This commission is for $10.48. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how even as a free member of Second Splash, you can not only get free viral passive traffic to your offers, you can also earn these monthly recurring commissions as a free member. And a bit later on in the video, if you decide you want to join Second Splash and join our team, I'll show you how you can turn your Second Splash program from one income stream into 3 income streams. I'll go into my account. I'm live here in my account. This is my dashboard here. You see we're getting clicks here on the splash pages. This is my latest commission for $10. Click to view and it gives you a report of your previous commissions. You'll see down here one of these is for $97, this one here. So members have got an option to get a discount by paying upfront for the whole year, and one of my referrals did that. So if that happens to you, you'll get a higher ticket commission with Second Splash. That's a one-off commission, not a monthly recurring. The other one's a monthly recurring. That would be a one-off commission. The bonus income over here is, I'll take you into that now, into the bonus income. The bonus income is the sister product of Second Splash. It's owned by Easy Cash for Ads, which has been online for 7 years. And Easy Cash for Ads, what you can do is you can put your Easy Cash for Ads program into Second Splash to give you an additional income stream. Gives you all the reasons here to join Easy Cash for Ads. There's no monthly membership costs. It's a one-time $19 payment. You would be getting 100% autopilot bias traffic with that. You click on here to join, and then once you've joined, you just put your username into this window here, click update, and then that will go into your bonus income funnel part of the Second Splash program. Let me just show you here that this offer converts. So far with Easy Cash for Ads, I made $880 into profit. You can earn unlimited $10 commissions with Easy Cash for Ads. It's not just a great traffic source, it's also a good income source as well. Unlimited $10 100% commissions, and you can also not just earn referral income with this program. There's also you can also earn passive income with Easy Cash for Ads as well. The link in the description will take you to this page here. I want to give you this done for you funnel so you can earn an additional income stream. So we're going to give you this lead capture page, and if you're brand new, don't get overwhelmed by all the text and the different information on here. So because all you would do is when you opt in, so you click the link in the description, you want to join Second Splash, you put your name in there, you put your email in, click on there, and you get taken to this page here. And we're going to give you both of these pages. And then you would join Second Splash here. You don't have to use this page to promote Second Splash. You can use other pages. But this is a great way to earn Leads Leap commissions, because then you can put your Leads Leap affiliate link into here just by copy and pasting these codes into your Leads Leap back office. And then your Leads Leap affiliate link will go into here. And then if anybody joins through you, promoting these two pages, well, promoting one page, then you can earn monthly recurring commissions as a free Leads Leap member. Get a free lifetime membership, and you'll see the adds up. Total earnings here for my Leads Leap account. I'm live in my back office here for Leads Leap. You see here I'm live in my account. My total earnings so far $770. So 99% of that has been monthly recurring commission from membership upgrades. So even as a free member, you can start to earn these monthly recurring commissions. So you can earn commissions from Second Splash. You can earn commissions from the bonus income, easy cash for ads, and you can earn commissions from lead sleep. So we're turning it into a 3 income stream done for you funnel. And if you'd like some free traffic to promote Second Splash, then I want to give you my 5 best free traffic sources that I use every day to promote these type of offers. It's a blog post that I wrote a while ago, and these are my top 5 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing, leads and sales. So what I'll do is I'll pin this blog post to the first comment below the video that you're watching now. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And also please share the video on social media, and that will also help support the channel as well. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Currently I'm uploading several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. So if you've got any questions about Second Splash or any of the other content within this video, please leave those questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. You can get set up with a free account. All you need to do is click this, go through this page here in the description, and you can join Second Splash for free. And then you can, at least, if you don't want to upgrade, you can at least go into your members area. If I can find it here, go into your members area, and you can start to create some splash pages, and start to get some video here. Tutorial teaches you how to create a splash page, and you start to get traffic to drive traffic to your offers. So I'll also put my email address in the description as well, if you want to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.